What the fuck? Not bleeding?
No.
Told you, a little red mark. You see it? Right there? Yeah. Come on. What? It just ricocheted.
Hit that one.
Dude, I just shot and I missed and it ricocheted. Yeah.
And hit that one. Yeah, I saw that.
Is there metal over there or something, man?
No.
Good.
You might have hit the stand and it ricocheted.
More bullets in this fucker. Yeah, I know it won.